Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix dev error 5820 in Modern Warfare 3. So in order to fix this issue, what you can do is you can simply clear the cache and the temporary files, because sometimes cached data and the temporary files can cause the issues with the game. So clearing these files can help resolve the error. So in order to clear the system cache, you need to go to the Windows and open the run button. After that, you just have to type %temp% and press enter. After that, you will be able to see a bunch of different files and folders, so you just have to select them all and delete them all. Now in order to clear the game cache, you need to navigate to the game's installation directory and look for any cache or temporary files folder. If you found one, you just have to simply delete it. Second thing that you need to do is to disable the overclocking. Overclocking your GPU or your CPU can sometimes cause instability in the games. If you have overclocked your hardware, revert it to the default settings using your system's BIOS or overclocking software. Ensure your system runs at its default clock speeds. Third thing that you need to do is to simply check for the background applications and the conflicts. Some background applications can interfere with the game and cause errors. So first you need to disable the unnecessary background applications. For that, open the task manager and go to the processes. Then you just have to end any unnecessary processes or the applications that are running in the background. After that, you need to perform a clean boot to start the Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs. Type msconfig in the Windows search bar and press enter. In the system configuration window, you need to go to the services tab, check hide all Microsoft services, and then click disable all. You need to go to the startup tab and click open task manager. Disable all the startup items and restart your computer and try running the game. So these are some of the methods that you should try in order to fix the problem of the dev error 5820. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.